Welcome to another episode of Tech Room with Loctech. I am Akila Chikeji, your host, but you can always call me your resident tech sis. Tech Room is a corporate social responsibility initiative of the Loctech Training Institute. It's an educative TV program that brings information technology education to our community's doorstep. Now, we do this at Loctech because we believe that everyone, regardless of your financial status, your age, should have access to information education technology. Welcome to Tech Room with Loctech. And now on today's show, we're going to be shining the torchlight on women in technology. On this segment, which is our interview segment, I'll be having one of Loctech's favorite persons. She's a business developer here at the Loctech Training Institute, and she's going to tell us a whole lot about what they're doing to empower women to come into the technology space. Welcome to the show, Onyechi.
Yeah, thank you very much. I'm so glad to be here.
Oh, well, I'm happy to have you as well.
Yeah.
Just, I know you, but our viewers don't, so kindly introduce yourself.
Okay, so my name is Mokolo Onyechi. I'm a business developer at Loctech IT Training Institute.
All right, so business developer, what exactly do you do?
Okay, so I go out to get business plan for the company to try to help the company grow from the stages they are to the next stage.
Fantastic. So, Onyechi, historically, there's been a wide gap between the male and female representation in the technology space. Even here at Loctech, we have more male learners than female learners, right? Am I right?
Yeah,
right. So, but I know that Loctech, which is like trying to create or bridge that gap, trying to get more women into tech, what exactly are the in-demand tech skills that are available here at Loctech for women?
Okay, so there's a saying that what a man can do, a woman can do better. So even if there are so many men, so many guys into tech a lot, I also have ladies that are also into tech. But if you're a lady and want to venture into tech, there are so many courses you can go into, starting from digital marketing. And I believe that every lady is used to having businesses. Yeah. So having a business, I always advise for them to go into digital marketing. It helps to promote their business. Also, we have data analysis. Now, some ladies that are also into the finance field, they have data collection, data cleansing, data analysis. They'll go to data analysis. We have like Python, Excel, Power BI. Also, those that like website coding, I also advise them to do web design and development. Also, we have cybersecurity. Those that are very good at networking, routing, switches, and all that, I also advise them. So there are so many courses from Microsoft, UI, UX, graphics design. There's so many courses that a lady can go into.
So basically, from what I understand, it means that a woman, regardless, a young girl, a housewife, a single lady, you can actually take any course in IT.
Yes,
your gender does not discriminate you. It's not like, oh, women are less intelligent than men. So they can actually take any course in IT. That's fantastic. So does Loctech, as an IT training institute, do they offer any support services for their female learners?
For women in tech, we have a resource group that creates opportunities for ladies that want to venture into tech. Also have a professional platform where we do workshop for ladies also that want to venture into tech. And also, specifically, we have free scholarship for ladies. Now, this scholarship is for you to learn any course of your choice for free. So if you're a lady out there and you're considering, oh my God, I don't have money, when the scholarship time is up, I will advise you to hurry up and then venture into it. So you'll also be among the ladies in tech.
All right, wow, that's interesting to know. I did not know this part. And thank you, Onyechi, for coming on the interview segment with me.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome back. On today's episode, we're starting with something quite interesting. It's called Advanced Excel. I know you're wondering what that's all about. Well, I have our tutor with me in the studio to tell us all we need to know about what Advanced Excel is all about. Welcome to the show, Chisom.
Thank you very much.
I hope you're excited to be here.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay. What exactly is Advanced Excel as a course?
So, what makes it advanced is the basically the more advanced calculations and analysis you can do with it. You know, that's basically it. And the more advanced chatting, the more advanced, you just know how to do more things, how to use, because Excel has over 1,000 functionalities.
Wow, 1,000
No joke,
functionalities.
yeah. Even if someone is telling you that they're a pro at Excel, they don't know everything.
Wow.
Yeah, exactly. So that's just.
So that means the app or software, like I like to call it, Excel is really deep and huge, and we can do a whole lot with that software. All right, I know that a whole lot of you know about the software Excel on your system or your laptop or your desktop, and you do literally nothing with it other than maybe just do a few calculations. Well, this course will be very important for you because you can learn a whole lot more that you can do with that simple software on your laptop and even on your phone. So let's head right now to the classroom.
My name is Famous Chisom, and I'll be taking you guys on the course Advanced Excel. So what is Excel? Excel is a spreadsheet tool developed by Microsoft in the year 1985. It is, according to Investopedia's article titled The Importance of Excel in Business, published in 2022, it has become the most used computer program in workplaces worldwide, arguably. In finance and accounting, pros use it for complex computing in their field. It's crucial in the HR field where the value of tracking info about employees is important. So there are you can do anything with a spreadsheet. For instance, if you're an event planner, you can use to keep record of the attendees and attendants of the meeting. If you're a businessman, you have a store, you have a shop, you can keep track of your products, the sales, the revenue over time. If you want to collect a loan, for instance, like any of us, you can use it to keep track of the amount of interest to be paid at different points in time. Okay, so uses of advanced Excel. Uses of advanced Excel. It's a powerful tool for organizing data, as I've said, the data cleaning. It can enhance your efficiency and productivity when you combine different formulas and different functionalities. You find that you'll be very productive with data. And basic functions in Excel like sum, average, and count are very useful in everyday, life. In your everyday life, you're served with different instances where you have to find the sum of things, find the average of things, count things. All these functionalities are in Excel. Last but not the least, you use Excel. Advanced functions like XLOOKUP and if help you to keep track of data. If your data is a lot, like 1,000 plus rows, can help you to locate and find some important data at a very fast speed. There are some advanced applications of Excel. For instance, if you're a businessman, this is very important for business people, and you've kept track of your sales up to a certain point. For instance, if you kept track in January and currently it's June, you want to know what can happen in the future. You can use an Excel tool called forecasting to forecast your sales, what your sales can look like from July to December. This was done in Excel. Okay. Some other advanced applications of Excel can be the use of tools called pivot table and charting. So the pivot table tool in Excel is very advanced tool in Excel that helps you to make quick analysis and summarizations of data sets. And also after analyzing your data, it's important to make charts, create charts. So that's also important in Excel. So other advanced applications can be in data cleaning and formatting, where you prepare and organize your data for the analysis. Okay. Then last but not least, macros helps you to be efficient with data. For instance, where you are served with a situation where you find yourself making repetitive tasks, so always copying and pasting, you can, with the tool called macro in Excel, you can make that automatic. Or you work in a school and you're supposed to keep track of student scores across different subjects. There are 9 subjects, there will always be 9 subjects there. So if you want to find some kind of calculations within those 9 subjects, you can make macros to make it automatic. Just solve it once, store it in the macro, and automatically as different terms pass by and they give you different scores, you automatically gets the whether the average or some charts, whatever, make it automatic. It helps you to be efficient with your data. It's called data efficiency. Career prospects in Excel. So, if your career prospects in Excel, so Excel skills are critically esteemed in various fields and many industries. For instance, to name a few, in finance, business, and health, this is very crucial. Why? As we have said throughout the length of this, my intro, Excel will help you to keep track of your data, to help you to organize your data, which is very especially important for people in HR and business, and to help you to also analyze your data and make predictions, and to also help you to visualize your data, get a quick snapshot. Instead of seeing something of 1,000 rows, you can just show everything in a very comprehensive dashboard. Something of 100,000 rows, you can give a snapshot of it using smart charts and graphs. So that's and if you have that skill, if you have that capability, if you have enough projects and works you've done, you have a very high possibility to work in various fields, as I said before, finance, business, and health. Conclusion. All you need throughout the length of this course is to be open-minded. And dedicated, because it's very essential. It can help you to kickstart your business, to kickstart your career in any business, any fields. And it's even important for a common man to help him be more efficient in dealing with his personal data, like if he's taking a loan, if he wants to make some sales, some purchases. Excel as a tool is very helpful. For you to get the full value of this course, there will be different topics at different times. I'll start with taking you guys on cell referencing. Cell referencing and basic formulas in Excel. What's cell referencing? Cell referencing is what I'll teach you guys. It's basically the essence, the building block of Excel, how you work with the spreadsheets in Excel. So I'll teach you guys cell referencing. There are two kinds of cell referencing actually. We'll get to know all about that in the first class. And there, as I said, basic formulas in Excel. Like in the intro, talked about sum, average, count, all these things and more. You get to know all about it. That's the first class will make you conversant with the app, comfortable with the app, because we will get to more advanced topics. So the next step will be data cleaning and formatting. So this is an essential step done before analysis. So data cleaning will help you, because most times, if not all the time, the data that you get to work with from a client company will always be dirty. It's called dirty data when it's not in the right format, when there are extra spaces, when it's just disorganized. So during that class, I'll teach you guys how to properly organize and clean up your data using some formulas. And in that class, you also learn more formulas, more text formulas. So that's very important. If you want to know more about this course in person, if you want to get an in-person class, you can visit us at Loctech IT Training Institute, number 4A Etimopoyo Close by Bridge Bus Stop, Aba Road, Port Harcourt. See you in the next episode. Bye.